Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be restoring this old hatchet that I found. This thing was laying on a picnic table when I pulled into my campsite, and I thought it would make a good project, so I'm going to try and restore it today. I'm going to get rid of this handle. I'm going to replace it. I got this piece of 2x4 here that I'm going to try to make. I'm going to carve another handle out of, and I'm going to try and replace it with that. And I'm going to sand down the face of it, make it sharp again. All right, so I'm going to get the camera set up to where you guys can see me a little bit better, and then we'll get to work on it. All right, so I got the 2x4 set up here. It's clamped down with a C-clamp, and I'm going to cut out the rough shape with this skill saw here. And then I'll just cut down as far as I can to the table. You know, it's only going to go about that far, and then I'll flip it around and I'll do the other side. And then after I get the majority of the wood cut off, the excess wood cut off, I'm going to come back in with this guy and this angle grinder with a flat disc, or actually probably this. I'll put a fresh one on there, and then I'll sand it down to the final shape. I'm going to try to do the handle first, and then once I'm done with the handle, I'll probably I'll do the blade. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I messed up this handle a couple times, and now it's going to end up being a lot shorter than I originally intended, but I think it's actually going to work out pretty well. I think it'll be nice and proportional to the size of the blade. What I kept messing up is this part right here, the tang to go into the head of the hatchet. I keep getting it too small. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to grind it down just a little bit. I'm going to get it nowhere close to being able to fit into here, and then as I try to fit it in, I'll just grind it, I'll sand it down just a little bit at a time until it fits. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to grind this down a little bit, and then I'm actually going to start on the head of this hatchet, and I'm going to leave this handle in while I grind this down, so that I have something to hold on to. And then once I'm done grinding the head down, I'm gonna pop it off of the handle and then fit this. Once I have the new handle fit onto the head, I'm gonna finish sanding this down until it's into its final shape. All right, so I'm gonna start doing all that right now. Hope all that made sense. I think this is going to have to do it for this part of the video. I'm not done yet, and I may keep sanding on this and stain it, and I may also go get a proper handle from the store. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll keep working on this, and if it doesn't turn out the way I want it to, I'll just put a good handle on it. Alright, so I got the hatchet handle done, and I've got it sanded down pretty good. But I'm not really happy with the way it came out, because I don't think it's perfectly even along this edge here, and you can see how it doesn't quite fit right into there. That, and I think the 2x4 was a bad idea. This handle's not very dense, and it doesn't feel very strong, and I don't like that it's this short. So the other day I was chopping up some oak firewood, and I was using this guy to split some of the pieces, and it broke off here. So obviously, I mean, it looks pretty decent, but obviously this handle's not going to work. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this handle on there, and I got this handle from Amazon. You can see I'm supposed to go this way. Take this off. So it should go straight in just like this right here, and it looks like it's going to fit pretty well. And it comes with these wedges here. I'm actually not very familiar, so I don't know what this metal piece is, but I'm just going to use this wedge here and some wood glue. But first I have to get this out of here. All right. You know, in all honesty, this is probably as far as I'm gonna take it. I think I'm just gonna use it as much as I can and see how long this handle and that wedge holds up. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and please remember to like and subscribe.